Your diesel truck is practically screaming for help when code P205A pops up, and ignoring it is basically gambling with your entire exhaust system. This isn't just a random glitch. It means the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is seeing a voltage signal from the reductant tank temperature sensor that doesn't make any sense. If you are driving a modern clean diesel, you know all about diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF. This fluid is crucial for the selective catalytic reduction system, which we call SCR. The whole point here is to smash those harmful NOx emissions before they leave your tailpipe. But here is the thing. The computer needs to know exactly how hot or cold that fluid is to inject it at the perfect moment. If the sensor in the tank is acting up, the whole system gets confused. You might notice your fuel economy tanking, or you might see embarrassing clouds of black smoke trailing behind you. In severe cases, the truck might even go into a limp mode to protect itself. Now, before you panic and buy a new tank, let's troubleshoot this like a pro. You're going to need a diagnostic scanner and a digital volt ohm meter. First, always check for technical service bulletins for your specific year and model. Sometimes the manufacturer already knows about a glitch and has a software update. If that is clear, grab your scanner and look at the freeze frame data to see exactly what the car was doing when the light came on. If you clear the code and it comes back immediately, you're dealing with a hard fault. Most of the time, this boils down to a few culprits: a bad temperature sensor, which is often built right into the tank assembly, or some nasty wiring issues like an open or short circuit. Rodents love chewing on these wires, so get under there and look for physical damage first. If the wiring looks clean, you need to disconnect the sensor and test it with your multimeter against the manufacturer's resistance spec. If the sensor is fine, you're moving up the line to check the input and output signals at the controller. It's tedious, but tracing that voltage drop is the only way to be sure you're not wasting money on parts you don't need. Keep in mind, if you let this go too long, you could clog up your expensive DPF or damage the catalyst, turning a $100 repair into a $1,000 nightmare. So grab that multimeter and let's get that diesel running clean again.